charge a flat fee because it's easier, and I think it's better for the client. I can't imagine having to spend any part of my day divvying up my time with somebody and charging them a quarter hour for a phone question or a sixth of an hour for a phone question. I charge a flat fee because at the end of the day, I think everybody does better. There are some cases where we go to court, we knock everything out in a couple of hours, and I'm probably better off for that. There are plenty of other cases where we go to court again and again and again and again, and the client doesn't have to pay for all of that. So they're the better off for it. The bottom line is I want somebody to know exactly what they're going to pay. I am, as far as I know, the only lawyer that publishes his or her fees online. They're prominently at the top of my website and on my blog. I think it's only fair if you're going to buy something to know what you're going to pay. And if you're going to buy a lawyer's services for a DUI, then you should know that this is what you're going to pay, not a penny more. There are no hidden costs or fees. And I just can't imagine somebody ever hesitating to call because they're thinking, oh, if I call him, that's going to be 15 minutes, and at his hourly rate, that's going to cost me $75, or it's going to be a tenth of an hour, and that's going to $27 to get a question answered over the phone. I would never engage in a transaction like that as a consumer, and I could never foist that on anybody being on the other side of the table.